Welcome to Foxtecc. If Telegram isn't downloading files in the background on your iPhone, there are a few settings you need to check. Let's go straight into fixing this issue so you don't have to keep the app open just to download your files. First, open Settings and scroll down to find Telegram. Make sure Background App Refresh is enabled. This allows Telegram to stay active even when it's not on your screen, so it can continue downloading files without interruptions. If this option is turned off, the app won't work properly in the background. Next, check your background app refresh settings for all apps. Go to Settings, tap General, then select Background App Refresh and set it to Wi-Fi and mobile data. If this is limited to Wi-Fi only, Telegram won't download files when you're using mobile data, which might be the reason your downloads keep stopping. Another thing that can interfere is low power mode. When your iPhone is trying to save battery, it restricts background activity, including Telegram's ability to download files. To fix this, go to Settings, tap Battery, and turn off low power mode. This will allow apps to work normally in the background. You should also check your notifications settings. Open Settings, go to Notifications, tap Telegram, and make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. This keeps Telegram active and ensures you don't miss any updates or downloads. If all else fails, try restarting your iPhone or reinstalling Telegram, as that can sometimes clear up any lingering issues. That's it. After adjusting these settings, Telegram should be able to download in the background without any problems. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone fixes. Thanks for watching and see you later.